I'm headed out to Vegas in the morning and I've got to finish packing, so that's why I need to open up this bag right now. I need to get it packed. This video is not planned. I don't even have any makeup on and I just went and got a spray tan, so I'm sure I look crazy, but it doesn't matter. This bag has to go with me to Las Vegas, so let's get into it. I have with me another Minky Blue bag. This is one of their backpacks. I am so excited to open it. I've had it in this house for like 2 weeks and it's like a new toy. I need to open the box and I need to play with it. A little bit of transparency. This video was not sponsored by Minky Blue. Minky Blue did send me this bag to review. I already reviewed the Tote on my own. I've paid for it on my own. Now I'm not gonna go into the ins and outs of Minky Blue. I've already done 2 Minky Blue videos that explain all of that. I did an unboxing of their Tote that I love. You know that. I carry it around with me all the time. Just carried it to the Grand Canyon. And then I did a review video of it as well. I'm gonna put those videos down in the description link below so you can watch the unboxing of the Tote and the review video of the Tote. But this is one of their backpacks. They have 2, well, I guess technically they have 3 backpacks, but the 2 that I was considering trying is the Mariah and the Niche. They are very similar. I had a very tough time deciding, but I ended up going with the Niche. It's so pretty. Oh my God, it's even like prettier in person. I've got 2 cameras going. The overhead camera that you're seeing right here is new. I think the coloring's a little off. I'm sorry about that. I wanted to really go ahead and get trying it. That way I can give you a review on it faster, hopefully earlier than I expected. This reminds me so much of my Tote, and I'll insert some footage here of either my unboxing or the review video, it doesn't matter. I chose the Niche because it reminded me so much of my Tote, and it kind of made me feel like if I could take the Tote and just rearrange it a little bit into a backpack, this would be the baby of that product. While I'm thinking about it, I would absolutely be tickled to death if you would hit that like button. It really does help my video and my channel. Someone left a comment that the Tote looked cheap, is what they said. I'm sorry, I don't have the best camera equipment. I do the best that I can, but if you could put your hands on these products, you'll know for a fact these are not cheaply made products. I have said it several times that I have no idea how I haven't broken the straps off my Tote. Matter of fact, in one of my last videos, I was traveling through Memphis. I put that sucker up on a scale right after I weighed my suitcase. My suitcase weighed 25 pounds. My Tote weighed 26 pounds. That's how much I'm really packing that puppy down. I like to put these bags to a test. I want to really see, are they going to stand up to being beat up, because I beat my products up. I'm kind of clumsy and I'm lackadaisical and I'll throw stuff anywhere, and I'm not very good at taking care of things. But that's kind of a good thing for you, because then you'll know, like, if it can survive with Staci, then it can survive with you. But anyways, let's unzip these if you can see it. That beautiful blue. Oh my gosh, y'all. Just like my Tote, when you unzip this, it's that gorgeous blue lining. I cannot get enough of it. Ooh, the bag's even a little different. The Tote has a lunchbox pail in it as well, but it is nylon. But this one appears to be, let's get this out of here, the same, let me set this down, the same kind of leather material. Come on. I love their zippers. That same nice interior. They do give you a shoe bag if you want to carry your shoes in the bottom of your backpack. You have this lunchbox. It is insulated. It does have another zipper area if you need to kind of keep things separate. But like I said, instead of being made of nylon, it is made of this beautiful leather material. Down in the bottom, you do have this space. The top and bottom compartmentalizes. So if you want to put your shoes down here, put that lunch pail down here. I usually use the lunch pail as a place for my toiletries, and then I put them down here. I do know that when I go to Las Vegas, I'm not going to be walking the Vegas Strip like 7 miles in heels, but I want to take some pretty pictures while I'm there. So I'm probably planning on putting the heels and stuff down here and then just wearing my comfortable shoes while we're walking around. I do have a referral code down in the description below that will get you 20% off your purchase. This is a big percentage off your purchase if you have been thinking about getting one of these bags. I would appreciate it if you used my referral link in the description because it also gives me a little something back without costing you anything extra. One of the biggest things about the Minky Blue bags is that they do have these top and bottom compartments so that you can keep all of your stuff organized. It does have that same kind of middle zipper area to where if I wanted this to just be one big backpack, no top and bottom, just one big regular backpack, you can do that. This is the thing I love about Minky Blue bags. Unzip me. And then this opens up. Can you see that? Maybe I can show you better here. It opens up all the way to the bottom. I need an overhead light. But anyways, you open this up and then it can just be one big backpack if you want. Otherwise, we zip it back up. It does look like on this side here, you do have another, I'm sorry, this is so like, it's such a weird angle and I have 2 cameras, but I'm not sure it's helping. But you do have an internal pocket here. Put stuff in pretty deep. I can put my whole hand in there. And then you also have this top pocket. Put stuff in there, again, nice and deep. Let me show you on this side. So this is the top pocket that I'm talking about. Lots of room there. Each one of these bags, the totes and these backpacks, they do have a place to hold your laptop. The Mariah backpack, it says will accommodate, I think, up to like a 13 or 14 inch laptop, and this one goes more up to like 15 to 17 inches. I'm interested to see if I can fit a bigger laptop than really what they recommend, because I know in the LikeToKnow it fits up to like a 14 inch laptop. Mine's a 17 and it fits in there with no problem. This is the place for your laptop. Your laptop will go back here. I would put my laptop in there, but my laptop is here and I'm filming on it, so I can't do that. But my laptop fits down in here, and this middle area is very padded. And then right here on the inside, you've got 2 more pockets, and these are deeper than my LikeToKnow. My LikeToKnow, the 2 pockets are about that deep. These, I can go up to here on my hand. So they're pretty deep. There's 2 of them. I love this detail. It's kind of this chevron pattern. It just looks so elegant. I always kind of looked at it and felt like I looked so chic that I could take it anywhere. Oh, okay. Here's something that I was wondering. I thought that this backpack was the only one that did not come with a key finder or key fob, and I'm excited to say that it does, because I don't usually use those, but I got one in my LikeToKnow and now it keeps me from losing my keys, so I use it all the time. This to me is a nice rounded and kind of padded handle here, and then on the back you've got these ergonomic, now that I'm looking at them, they are ergonomic to kind of flow with your body, and they are also very padded. They've got this kind of moisture wicking netting on the inside. Trolley handle. Put that on your suitcase. Ooh, what is this? What is this? It's like a little hidden side pocket. That's cool. I know on my LikeToKnow on the back, she's got a little place, kind of like a secret pocket. I usually put my passport, maybe some cash, my ID in there, like stuff I need at the airport over and over and over again, but I don't want to have it all out. It's there. I did not know this was here. That's cool. I did not know that was there, and I'm delightfully surprised. Let's talk real quick about the side pockets. One thing I love that she does about these pockets is that they're firm but not fixed. She does put these elastic bands on the side. That way, if you need to put a larger than life cup like I like to do, it will accommodate that. She did put 2 pockets on this bag. And don't forget, feet. I love the feet. It really is the little details. Not only does it kind of give bags a nice touch, but any kind of protection when you do have to sit it on the ground just to keep it from getting scuffed up is a plus. Now, all of their Minky Blue totes and these backpacks come with the insulated lunchbox, and the shoe bag that I showed you. Matter of fact, let me get the shoe bag. This is your shoe bag. It's very big. It can fit more than shoes. You do have the option with any of the totes and these backpacks to also get the bundle. So if you watch my Ella Tote video, you'll see that I got the bundle with that. So along with these things that come with it, I also got an umbrella that matched the bag. I got a crossbody bag. I did notice the other day that on some of their bag bundles, they're doing an insulated water bottle instead of an umbrella. I absolutely fell in love with my Ella Tote once I got to using it, and if you want to see my full review of that bag, watch this video next.